As we conclude the meaningful inauguration, we are reminded that the opening of the Giwan Balay Silangan Reformation facility is just about a new structure. It is about renewed hopes, restored dignity, and second chances for our fellow citizens. The facilities stand as a strong testament to our municipality commitment to peace, order, and genuine public safety. It reflects our belief that transformation is possible, that every individual deserves an opportunity to change, and that community support is vital in that journey. May this Balay Silangan serve not only as a center for reform, but as a symbol of compassion, discipline, and unity. Let us continue to work together, government, stakeholders, and the community, to ensure that those who enter this facility will one day return as empowered, responsible, and productive member of the society. On behalf of the Sangguniang Bayan, I extend my heartfelt gratitude to everyone who made this initiative possible. Together, we build not just safer community, but stronger and hopeful future. Maraming salamat at mabuhay ang bayan ng Giwan.